A basic understanding of economics can help students make informed decisions about their future careers and financial stability. Studying economics helps students develop critical thinking skills and understand how to make informed decisions about their personal finances and the economy as a whole. The global economy affects the lives of everyone, and a strong understanding of economics can help students understand the economic policies and practices of different countries. Economics is often intertwined with politics, and studying economics can help students understand the political and economic systems that shape our world. Why learning economics is so important for students? Economic education is important for several reasons. Here are the reasons. Understanding the economy. Economic education provides individuals with an understanding of how the economy works and how it affects their daily lives. This includes understanding concepts such as inflation, interest rates, and the role of governments and financial institutions in the economy. Making informed decisions. With a solid understanding of economics, individuals can make informed decisions about personal finance and investments. They can also understand the implications of government policies and global economic trends on their finances. Career opportunities. An understanding of economics is valuable in many careers, such as finance, business, and public policy. An economics education can provide a strong foundation for careers in these fields and open up new job opportunities. Problem-solving skills. Economic education teaches critical thinking and problem-solving skills that are applicable to many aspects of life, not just finance and economics. Understanding economics helps individuals make more informed decisions and better understand the world around them. Promoting informed citizens. Economic education promotes informed citizenship by enabling individuals to understand the economic policies and issues that impact their lives. This can lead to more informed and engaged citizens who are better equipped to participate in the political process. Overall, economic education is an essential component of a well-rounded education and can provide individuals with the skills and knowledge they need to succeed in today's fast-paced, global economy. Learning about economics helps students develop the knowledge and skills they need to be informed and responsible citizens in a rapidly changing world.